everyone! Today we are going to learn the sound of A. Now, if you put A and Y together, it will produce a sound of A. Now, let's discuss some words that have the sound. First one, clay. Clay. J. J. Hay. Hay. Bay. Bay. Lay. Lay. Pay. Pay. Play. Play. Pray. Pray. Sway. Sway. Runway. Runway. Day. Day. Tray. Tray. Pray. Spray. Now let's read some sentences. My friends play chess. They have clay in the box. The hens will lay eggs. My sister always prays. Let's go down to the bay. There is hay at the farm. And there you have it, the sound of A. Keep on practicing. Goodbye, everyone.